Hey everyone, welcome to my new YouTube channel. In this channel, I will be uploading, all the new AI tools which are coming into the market, and I will be showing you how to use them in your daily life. So today we are going to talk about, really new and interesting AI tool, which isn't a particular AI tool. It's actually a browser. So we are going to talk about it. So without any further wait, let's get started. So let me show you how this Comet app works. So I have loaded the Comet browser. So basically, talking about the browser itself, it has, basic functionality as a normal browser would, and yeah, it can perform searches like a normal Google Chrome or anything, accessing websites and watching YouTube, etc. And also you can access different AI websites like ChatGPT, everything. So now the question is, what actually makes it different? So they have been talking about it for a while now, and they are, you know, uh, displaying it as a new way of browsing. So, speaking the truth, it's actually really interesting. So, let me show you some of its use cases. So, basically, in a normal browser, what you would do is, if you wanna, suppose you wanna open your Gmail, okay, you type in Gmail, so it opens, okay, so it opens normally. Now if I come back here and say to my assistant, okay, let's talk to the assistant they have. Hey there, Comet.
Hey, how can I assist you today?
um I want you to open my Gmail account in the current tab and look for the any promotional emails which I haven't accessed yet, and I want you to delete it. So as you can see, so this particular browser, it has ability to perform task itself and even accessing pages, like just it helps in task automation and everything. And I can understand you'll say that, even ChatGPT, Gemini, even they can perform, you know, do the do the task which you ask them to. But the difference is they cannot actually, perform inbuilt task of a computer.
I've
Like,
opened your Gmail in the current tab. Search for unaccessed promotional emails and deleted them. If you need further assistance or additional actions, let me know.
yeah, see, that's exactly what I'm talking about. So that's the major difference between a conventional browser and the new Comet browser. Now, one thing I can say is, yeah, it's really helpful. Suppose if I wanna, just instead of typing youtube.com and clicking on its link, I can just say it as open YouTube, then it's gonna open the YouTube for me. Okay, so it has opened the YouTube. Now, other thing is, yeah, it can summarize pages for you, which now, see, when you talk about summarizing pages or websites, on a typical AI assistant or AI language model, you have to go to their, website or app on the PC or whichever device you are using, and you have to paste the link, and then they will do the stuff like summarize the website, and yeah, which is actually good. Even they do it well, but the difference here is everything is inbuilt. So when I this can actually do image generation. So let's try something here. Generate create me image of, and let's see, an an few new Gmail layout. Let's see what it does. So you can do the image generation stuff and everything, which is built in. So again, the one thing I would want to say is this video is not sponsored by Perplexity or Comet, by the way. See, it has generated the image. Now, one good news which I can give you to guys is you can get a free 1 month subscription of Perplexity AI if you sign up from my link. If you have already installed Comet, then you can just delete it and sign up from my link, which will give you 1 month of pro access to Perplexity AI. So in the end, I would say if you want to add a new experience to your browsing life, then yeah, definitely you can try this browser. It has I will come up with more videos if you guys demand about it, and talk everything, whatever you guys want. So yeah, basically I will I'm looking ahead for your support, and will make sure to upload new videos soon. So thank you everyone. Thanks for watching my video. Take care. Bye bye.